Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Coco and my channel is all about unboxing, product reviews, and lifestyle, guys. If that's anything you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay? So you don't miss anything from me. And in today's video, guys, as you can see, I'm super excited because my husband got me the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill for Christmas, and your girl is excited, okay? It's a new year. I want to lose weight. You can use this grill whether you want to lose weight or not, but I'm just super excited. I actually woke up in the middle of the night and y'all, this was on a commercial, right? And I sat up there and watched it again. So I was like, oh yeah, I definitely want this. So I just was putting a little bug in his ear that I did want this grill, and I got it. All right, guys, so I have the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. This is what the box looks like. Some of the things it has is the grilling, the air frying, and this one also has a thermometer, so you'll be able to check the temperature of your food. And we're gonna get started with the unboxing. Okay. This food looks so good. Right, it has the extra large roasting rack, extra large combo crisp basket. I'm so excited for this. I've been waiting for so long. It has some recipes, instructions. We're gonna read the instructions this time. Okay. Good. One of the racks. You can get closer so you can see the racks. That's the one rack. It has a brush. Oh, that's so cute. So it's like a grill, and it has a little grill brush. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. It says Ninja on it. All right. This is Big Mama. Gonna pull Big Mama out. Woo! It's actually, let's see, it's not that heavy. I feel like it's about the same size as if you got like a regular air fryer, because I have the regular Ninja air fryer now, and it's about the same size actually, like as far as weight. This is so nice. Wow. And it has some tape on the side, so you just want to make sure you pull that off. And this is also where the thermometer is, so you can just pull that out and be able to use the thermometer to check your temperature. Okay. Let's see if there's any on this side. And I like how they bent the tape for you. That's so considerate. This must be the Airfry Rack. It's like the perfect size. There's another rack in here. This must be the grill rack. I'll put it in this way. So you got your grill rack, your griddle rack, and your air fry basket. And they all change, so these all come with it in the package. No need to buy any extra accessories. And don't forget your grill brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all set up and show you guys what it looks like turned on. I'm also going to make a meal for you so you can see how that works. All right, so this is it turned on. It shows you the air crisp, the roast, the grill, the bake, and the broil, and dehydrate for like any fruits or vegetables. But so today what we're going to be making is we're going to be making a salmon. We're also going to be making asparagus, and we're also going to be making steak. So those are the different things we're making. So we're going to try to put the salmon and the asparagus together because they're in the same category. And then we're going to go ahead and do the steak on its own. Now, my husband likes his steak medium rare, and I like my steak medium well. So I don't know how that's going to go. Might have to take one off before the other one. And then we have these two here. So the temperatures is just a little bit different. So the low temperature is 400 degrees. The medium temperature is 450, and the high temperature is 500, and the max that it goes up to is 510. So if it says if you're trying to do the grill, which we have that setting to the grill, in our case, if we're going to do the salmon and the asparagus, we're going to go ahead and put that up to max, because then that's the temperature that we need. And when we do the steaks, we're going to go ahead and put that to high. So that's why we're not putting them in the same one. So we need this, we're going to use this canola oil, this cooking spray, and don't use olive oil, butter, or margarine. Those are the things it says not to use. So everything that comes with this is very detailed. They let you know. It's really hard for you to make that mistake unless you're not paying attention. So here's the paper here for this too. It'll tell you a low, bacon, sausage, medium, high, max. It'll tell you all the things you can do, and it'll also tell you about the oils that you cannot use and what you should use. And it'll just basically make you be able to have your product for longer. So it's best to just follow those instructions. And then we're going to get on to the video. So like I said, we're going to be making salmon, asparagus, and steak. Okay. All right, so I'm going to preheat it. Max grill, because we're going to start off with the asparagus and the salmon. And we're going to go ahead and start off with 10 minutes to see how that goes. So this right here is the time. And we're going to do 10 minutes. And this is preheating, so it's telling me to shut the lid. And when it's done, I'm going to show you guys how I put it on there. Now you're going to close it. And then now it's going to start the time. Both the asparagus is done and the salmon. That was so easy to get off. Not sticking at all. How do you guys say it? Salmon or salmon? Comment down below and let me know, because I say salmon. I have this smart thermometer. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and put it inside of my husband's steak because he doesn't like his as well as I do. So just sticking it here in the side. Like you hook up some headphones. And then when it's time to put the steaks on there, I'm going to put this inside of his. So we're just putting the thermometer inside. Nice sizzle. It's done now. I'm gonna take that off and place it on the cutting board. It looks so good. For me, I like my steak like that. And I like my steak with a lot of fat. I don't know why, it's so good to me. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the air fryer. I have the basket, the air fry basket. I put some fries and some dino chicken nuggets. I'm gonna close this up. I have it at 400 degrees for 12 minutes, and we'll see where that takes us. I'm gonna check on the nuggets and fries. They look pretty good. Let's see. Okay, we can flip these over. This is like the perfect size. I have 2 kids, so they each have 6 nuggets and some fries. So we're just gonna let that cook just a little bit longer, and I'll be back. Okay, so the nuggets and fries are done. This is how the kids like them. Yeah. So we're gonna just cut this up for me. This is my steak. This is just how I like it. Don't come for me in the comments. Just how I like it. The knife that he's using, I'll link it down below just so you guys know, but that's it right there. And this is how it looks. Show them the knife there. Nice.
Alright guys, that is it. I am so in love with this Ninja Foodi. The best gift a girl could ask for. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And as always, share this video with your people and let them know what your girl is over here doing. Bye.
Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe.